Next, let's scroll all the way down to the bottom of our store and find our footer. On the right-hand side, we have our social media icons, so you can link those to your social media pages. And then we have our privacy policy. This is the most important part of your footer menu. You need to configure all of your different policy pages to make sure that your store is legally compliant. To configure those pages, simply click on Privacy Policy, and then at the top, click on Manage Policies. And again, that's going to open up a new tab. And here you see all of your different policy pages that you need to configure. Let's click on our return and refund policy, and then click on Insert Template. Some of these templates do have information that you need to fill out, so make sure you look them over. For now, I'll click on Publish, and I'll do this for the rest of my policy pages. You'll notice for the shipping policy that there isn't actually a template button. That's because you'll need to configure your own shipping policy. That's going to vary depending on where you're shipping from and who you're shipping your products to. So I'll just put Insert Shipping Policy here. Then I'll click on Publish. And don't forget to fill in your contact information. I'll click on Publish to finalize everything. And then like before, I'll go ahead and close out of this tab. And as you can see, our store's footer has been updated with all of our different policy pages.